After importing and reviewing your data, you can navigate to the emissions overview screen to access detailed analytical insights and visualizations generated from your uploaded data. To do this, on the left-hand menu, click on Overview. On the top right, you can change the start date and the end date. You can change the emission status, so whether it's confirmed, pending, flagged, excluded. This is based on what you've done in the emissions hub previously. On this screen, you'll be able to see the total carbon emissions, the average monthly emissions, how many suppliers you've uploaded, the emissions by top suppliers. You can choose whether it's top 10, 25, or top 50. Here you'll be able to see your scope breakdown. You can download as a CSV. You can see the top 10 emissions per scope by either the GHG category, supplier, factor, country, or organisation. You can also download the CSV here. You can see the key emission drivers by the factor. Changing the drop-down list here, you can see it by either the category, supplier, country, and the organisation. You can download as a CSV. If you have a sub-organisation, you'll be able to change the data view to a tree as well.